Let's learn how to pronounce the S and Z consonants in American English. There are two ways to pronounce the S and Z consonants. Both methods begin the same way. The tongue is in a wide shape, and the tongue is high in the mouth. The sides of the tongue push against the gum line of the roof of the mouth, where the gums meet the upper teeth. This leaves a passage for the air to travel down the middle of the tongue. Some native speakers make the S and Z consonants by pointing the tongue tip down. Other native speakers point the tongue tip up. When making the Z consonant, you should feel vibration in two places, in the throat and in the space between the tongue tip and the back of the front teeth. The S consonant does not have vibration because it is a voiceless sound.